So if Sunnova hasn't contacted you yet, they will. They're going to reach out to you just to verify you guys know everything about the contract. And then after that, Powur will be reaching out to schedule your site assessment. Now, when they come out to do the site assessment, they're just going to make sure that there's accurate measurements of everything. They'll go potentially on the roof and get measurements, and they'll also go into the attic, get those measurements. They'll look at like the main service panel, and they'll be looking at the area where the battery will go and all that stuff. So it'll be just a overall time at which they're making sure and verifying information. And then from there, we're going to go into the design phase. And with the design phase, again, they're just going to make sure with that information they receive from the site assessment that everything lines up correctly with the design and the proposal that we currently have. Like, there's nothing on the roof that is not captured by the image that we have, if that makes sense. From there, we'll go to the permitting phase. And the permitting phase, that's the phase that can kind of take the longest, just getting info from the city that we can proceed. But we take care of all of that. Obviously, you guys don't worry about anything. And then from there is the actual installation itself. Again, the installation takes like a day or two. You need to be home for both the site assessment and the installation because they'll need access to everything. And from there, we'll have final inspection. That's when we actually have FPL come out, check everything out, and then from there we can turn the power on. You guys will have solar. So it'll be so cool. I know this will be a very interesting process, but this is a great decision with solar. And if you guys have any questions at any point along the way, you're unsure about something, feel free to reach out to me. I'm very available. I know why I got into social media and whatnot, is just to really be available, really to let people know who I am and just be completely transparent about everything. So I look forward to continuing to talk to you guys throughout this process. Good job going solar, guys.